Do you want to manifest your dreams overnight? If you've ever wondered how to turn your deepest desires into reality in the blink of an eye, you're in for an amazing journey. Today, we're about to share with you the incredible power of Neville Goddard's method for manifesting your desires quickly and effectively. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to manifesting your dreams by morning. Let's get started. Neville Goddard was a 20th century mystic and author who left an incredible mark on the world of personal development. His teachings have inspired countless individuals to take control of their destinies. The core concept of Neville Goddard's method is nothing short of amazing. It revolves around a simple yet powerful concept that your thoughts and feelings are the creators of your reality. In essence, the world you experience, the opportunities that come your way, and the life you lead are deeply influenced by the thoughts that occupy your mind and the emotions that reside within your heart. However, here's the fascinating twist to this concept. It's not just about conscious thoughts that hold this immense power. It's not solely the ideas you deliberately ponder when you wake up. No, the magic goes deeper than that. It reaches into the hidden depths of your psyche, where your subconscious mind is. This subconscious mind is like the backstage crew of a grand theatrical production. While the conscious mind takes the spotlight, it's the subconscious mind that pulls the strings behind the scenes. It quietly orchestrates the events and circumstances in your life based on the thoughts and emotions that you have. Imagine your subconscious mind as a garden. The thoughts you plant within it are the seeds, and the emotions are the nourishing soil. As you constantly water this garden within your feelings, these seeds take root and grow, shaping the reality you experience. Real quick, if you find this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. This way you'll never miss a new video from us. And don't forget to smash that like button. Now, let's break down Neville Goddard's method further. This technique is like a magic wand for turning your desires into reality. At its core, it's a bit like being an artist creating a masterpiece on the canvas of your mind. You start by creating a vivid mental image of your deepest desires. Imagine it as you're painting a picture with every detail crafted. The more precise this mental image, the more potent it becomes. But it doesn't stop at visualization alone. Here's where the method takes a turn. It invites you to immerse yourself fully in the emotions associated with having your desire already fulfilled. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. Picture the joy that would run through you, the excitement bubbling up, and the overwhelming gratitude as if your dream has become a living, breathing reality. These emotions aren't just the icing on the cake. They are the very fuel that propels your manifestation journey forward, like a rocket soaring through the skies. In essence, the Neville Goddard method isn't merely about creating mental pictures. It's about infusing those pictures with the energy of your deepest desires. It's about evoking such powerful emotions that your subconscious mind takes notice, recognizing that this is not just a daydream, but a declaration of intent. It's your way of communicating to the universe that you are ready, willing, and deserving of your heart's desires. Neville Goddard believed that your subconscious mind is like a dedicated worker, tirelessly toiling away, especially when you're asleep. It's during those peaceful slumbers that your subconscious mind is most active and receptive to suggestions. So, how can you picture this idea to work for you? It's pretty simple. Before you drift to sleep, go to bed with the feeling that your desire has already been fulfilled. Picture it in your mind, down to the finest detail, and allow the emotions of accomplishment and happiness to wash over you. Your subconscious mind will pick up the cue, ready to make your dreams a reality. See it, feel it, believe it has already happened. Now, Let's bring this method to life with some real-world examples. I've personally used the Neville Goddard method to manifest some incredible things in my life, like that dream job I'd always wanted. But I'm not alone. I've seen friends and acquaintances manifest their ideal jobs, relationships, money, and more. One remarkable story is about a friend who had been job hunting for months without success. After trying the Neville Goddard method, everything started coming full circle. He received a call from a company he applied to who wanted him badly. They were not only impressed with his resume, but also with his confidence during the interview. In the interview, he felt he already had the job, and that energy translated into success. He's now happily employed there. These stories show the incredible potential of the Neville Goddard method. It's a testament to the power of our thoughts and feelings in shaping our reality. Remember, my friends, consistency is the key that unlocks the door to successfully manifesting. Just like any skill, practice makes perfect. Incorporate the Neville Goddard method into your daily routine. It's not a one-time wonder. It's a process that requires commitment and dedication. The more you practice, the more proficient you become at sending out the right signals to the universe. Stick with it for 30+ days. Trust and believe in the process. But why limit this method to your dreams? You can supercharge your manifestation journey by using it during your waking and working hours as well. Whenever thoughts or doubts of negativity creep in, counter them with a vivid mental image of your desire and those positive emotions. Reinforce the image and emotions throughout the day, showing the universe that you're ready to embrace the abundance you seek. Now, let's talk about a powerful transformation that happens through this method. When you shift your focus from what you lack to what you desire, the universe takes notice. Your mind becomes a magnet for the positive things you're inviting into your life. This shift from scarcity to abundance is like flipping a switch. Suddenly, you're aligning yourself with the flow of positivity, attracting the very few things you want. And it's not just about getting stuff. It's about embracing a mindset of possibility, openness, and gratitude. When you project this positivity, you're setting the stage for positive outcomes. A positive mindset filled with hope and expectation sends out vibrations that resonate with the opportunities and experiences you seek, making it more likely for them to manifest in your life. Remember, your mind is a garden. What you plant in it will grow. So let's plant the seeds of abundance, positivity, and joy. Now, this journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. The Neville Goddard method offers a path to self-discovery and empowerment, and the possibilities are endless. The next thing you will want to do is to subscribe to the channel for more manifestation videos and hit that like button. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. So dream big, stay positive, and watch your desires come to life. You can do anything you desire, and when you truly believe it, big things happen. Until next time, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep living your best life. See you in the next one.